Nowadays, editing or creating Word documents is really easy. You no longer need to open a laptop or computer because you can just use your cell phone. One application for creating and editing Word documents is WPS Office. The features are also not much different from those in Microsoft Word, although they are not as complete as in Microsoft Word. One thing we can do with the WPS Office application is insert images into tables in Word documents. The method is very easy. Read this tutorial until the end to find out how. First of all, open a Word document on your cell phone using the WPS Office application. After that, enter Edit mode. Then, friends, place the cursor in the part of the table where the image will be inserted. Then go to the Tools menu, then select Insert, and in the Image section, friends, click the image icon. Select the image you want to insert, then click OK to insert the image into the Word document. After that, friends, adjust the size of the image until it matches your wishes and the size of the table columns. So how about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to insert images into Word documents using the WPS Office application in cell phone.